Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing PIA's Boeing 747-200 by Hogan wings in 1 to 200 scale. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So as you can see, our box design is similar to the aircraft livery itself. So we have our PIA name and logo with 1 to 200 scale. We have our white, dark, kind of gold and then dark green color with the view of the model itself inside. Boeing 747-200 with the Hogan logo and then our landing gear included as well. On the side, we have our similar name and design. On the backhand side, we have two different liveries. We have our AP-AYW, which is the one I'm unboxing, and then the other one AP-BAT. Unfortunately, I don't have this one. It was hard to get at the time, so hopefully in the near future I do get it, but still very lucky to have this current one right now. So we'll go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys the amazing model inside. So the model itself cost me about $100 Canadian. This was released many years back. It was a hard to find model as well. Obviously when pre-ordering it, Hogan does take its time to get it released, but thankfully I managed to get the model. So we'll go ahead and open this up right here. And here is our gorgeous 747. So I'm going to take out all of the pieces and then put it on top so we can easily assemble it together. So in the box we have our landing gear sealed inside, as well as our stand. We have our unique PIA name and then Boeing 747-282B. And then we also have our landing gear doors up included as well. So we'll go ahead and assemble this together. So our left wing, and then our right wing, our tail, this one sometimes is quite a struggle to put in. There we go. Our right stabilizer, and then our left stabilizer. And there we have it. Beautiful, unique livery. So as you can see on the front, we have our detailed black nose, our cockpit windows as well, very detailed. We do have the livery with the white paint job on the top, our gold cheat line in the middle, and then our kind of dark green color on the underbody, and then our white slash shiny gray color on the underbody of the aircraft. We have our gold PIA logo, Pakistan International. Also next to each door we have a PIA name and then the Pakistan flag underneath. Our details with the engines as well. One thing about Hogan is that these are movable fan blades, which is very nice. As we move to the back, we have our registration, AP-AYW. Our registration is also on the bottom left wing as well as on the top right wing. As we move to the tail, we have our unique dark green background with the PIA name in the middle. Exhaust is also fairly detailed, and then on the other side we just have our similar details. Our registration, we also have our bulk and cargo doors. Same here on the front. And then underneath we don't have much, but we can see some details on the livery color itself. We have silver, shiny silver, and then a gray underbody. We have the inputs to put the gear on, our stand, and then our Hogan logo, and then our nose gear input as well. No doubt glossy and fairly detailed model by Hogan. They did a very nice job. Alright, so we have some pretty interesting details about this aircraft. So the first flight was on February 27th of 1975, which was registered in Portugal as CSTJD for TAP Airlines. It was delivered to TAP on October 17th of 1975, which was later registered in Pakistan as AP-AYW. The aircraft was leased out to PIA on April 12th of 1976. And the aircraft purchased by PIA from TAP on April 30th of 1980. But on February 4th of 1986, AP-AYW was operating flight PK300 from Karachi to Islamabad, which had unfortunately made a belly landing in Islamabad airport due to some cockpit error. All 17 crew members and 247 passengers aboard survived the accident. The aircraft was then later repaired and returned to active service by PIA's engineers. In 1997, the aircraft was named City of Peshawar to celebrate the 50 years of independence. The aircraft was sadly withdrawn from use in 1999 and stored at Karachi Airport. The aircraft reactivate and return to service later on. Registration AP-AYW was removed from the Pakistan's aircraft register on September 16th of 2005. Later on, September 19th, 2005, the aircraft was sold to Evergreen Aircraft Sales and Leasing, and it was registered in the United States as November 559 Echo Victor. Later on, it was ferried to US via Glasgow, and then the aircraft was parked there on September 22nd, 2005, which was then later on ferried to the USA. The aircraft was stored at Marana Pinal Airport in Arizona on December 21st of 2005 without any engines. The aircraft was then later acquired by PIA Airlines on November 20th, 2009 and registered in the USA as N705BL. Then later on, the aircraft was ferried to Malaysia on August 3rd of 2010, and the aircraft was sold in Malaysia on January 11th of 2012. As is, where is basis for $140,164. The aircraft was then cancelled and registered as November 705BL. The aircraft was on sale in Malaysia and then was confirmed sold to PIA Airlines on May 14th of 2012, and then sadly was broken up and scrapped in Malaysia on June 2012. So this aircraft definitely has some history to it, and obviously with the incident that occurred, it is a very rare model, I'm not sure if they created the same registration in different scales, maybe in 1 to 400 scale. I'm not too sure, but definitely, you know, with the work of PIA's maintenance and engineering team, they brought the aircraft back to life. So definitely good job to our engineers. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future amazing videos. If you guys liked it, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys, and have a good day.